So hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will learn to you all how to earn money, dollar, like 1,000 $2,000 in a week and per day 100 minimum. So let's see how to earn money in online. So 28 realistic ways to make money online in 2021. So let's see. So viewers, this is the website overload.com /how to make money online. So how to make money online, 28 real ways to earn money online. So from online poker to selling your collection of Beanie Babies, there are lots of popular get rich quick money making ideas that always pop up. Do they work? Not really. Will you make money doing it? Maybe, but you probably make more money from your 9 to 5 job at least than its guaranteed paycheck. So how to make money online? So 28 real ways is here. So first number of the way to how to make money. So start drop shipping. So let's start our list off with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, drop shipping's popularity is rapidly growing, highlighting its viability as a way to make money online with success stories about how an entrepreneur made 6,667 in 8 weeks, or how to a store owner made figures selling just one period. There's plenty of proof that drop shipping is a real way to make money online. So in case you don't know that drop shipping is a business model where you sell a product to a customer, but the supplier stores packages and ships the product to your customers on your behalf. With overload drop shipping, you have access to millions of products that you can add to your store. Overload Toolkit also allows you to hand pick your product images, edit item descriptions, and give your business a personalized vibe. So people love shipping from you. The best way to make money online drop shipping, most entrepreneurs have been focusing on a few marketing strategies: running Facebook ads, having influencers promote your products, and sending direct messages potential customers on social media. The number of two, try print on demand. So print on demand is similar to drop shipping in the sense that you don't need to carry inventory or ship out the products to customers yourself. There are two side differences. Through first, you can and branded labels on packages, which is great for brand recognition. Second, shipping costs are quite expensive, making it difficult to create a sustainable business unless you charge higher prices or sell higher quantities. But you have great suppliers in US, Canada, or Europe like Printify or Printpool to get a standard right away. So number of 3, where is the number of 3? The lady is beautiful. So number of 3, make money with affiliate marketing. So affiliating marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearly any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn a living with promoting other brands. If you are a savvy marketer, you can earn a commission from sales by promoting retail products, software, apps, and more, while earning a commission way seems small. Keep in mind that you can be affiliate for several brands and include several affiliate links on a single blog post. Then if you really want to make money online doing affiliate marketing, your best bet. So then number of 4 is start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. The highest paid YouTuber is 7 years old Ryan, who reviews toys on his YouTube channel, which made is 22 million in 2018. Another high earner is Jeffree Star, who's made more than 80 million on YouTube and has a cosmetic brands that sells about, my god, 100 million in products annually. His YouTube and MySpace fame helped him use his influence to make money online beyond his YouTube earnings. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos or anything else. Number 5, become an influencer. Number 6, create an online course. Number 7, publish an ebook with Amazon KDP. It's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish and promote it. Back in 2013, I created several books on Amazon. Took all but on down, and even though I didn't make me rich, I still make some money from it. Start a blog. Blogging is one of the oldest method for making money online. People who love writing tend to start blogs with a niche focus. For example, a blog about procrastination, cars, drop shipping, toys. So number 9, consider freelancing. Hire freelancer.com. I am in freelancer.com viewers. So need something done, post a job, but my mouse is not work. Choose freelancer, pay safely, and what's great about it? Browse portfolios, fast beats, quality work, track progress, make it real with freelancer. Packages design to 18 USD in 4 days, logo design 30 days in 1 day, WordPress 45 USD in 1 day, logo design, website package design, 3D model, then website design, translation, Python, Excel, Photoshop, mobile apps. So it's a freelancer. It's a platform for freelancing and help to other people. So how it works, let's see how works freelancer.com. So viewers, see you tomorrow. So tata, bye bye.